The valley oak is a true California classic and one of the largest oak species in North America. These trees are massive, with spreading branches that create tons of shade, making them perfect spots for a picnic on a sunny day. Valley oaks can live for hundreds of years, providing food and shelter for a wide variety of wildlife. Their acorns are a crucial food source for animals like squirrels, deer, and even woodpeckers. The valley oak's deep roots help it survive in California's hot, dry summers, making it a resilient part of the landscape. Let's celebrate these oak-tastic trees that play a key role in keeping our environment thriving.